Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back once again to the Inside Analysis Big Data Ecosystem. We are happy to have with us today Robin Schumacher, Director of Product Marketing from DataStax, and he's going to be talking about OffCenter, a database management platform specifically used with DataStax Enterprise. Robin, take it away.
Okay, thanks very much. Hi everyone. This is Robin Schumacher from DataStax, and what I'll be demonstrating here is just a brief tutorial of DataStax OffCenter, which is a visual management and monitoring solution for the NoSQL database Apache Cassandra and the commercial NoSQL platform DataStax Enterprise. So the reason OffCenter exists is that whether you're a system architect, administrator, or operations person, there's a very strong need to be able to easily monitor and manage database systems. And with the proliferation now of NoSQL technology that utilizes a scale-out architecture, where you can have various database clusters existing both on-premise and in the cloud, it becomes very necessary to have a very flexible and powerful tool that can manage all of those types of clusters no matter where they happen to be located. And that's really what DataStax OffCenter is. So OffCenter consists of a number of different components. It has a centralized service that runs behind the scenes. It also utilizes a number of agents that utilize DataStax software. So we have a DataStax agent that's on every single node and every single cluster that is being managed that reports back in and out to OffCenter. And then, of course, there's the visual aspect, which is the user interface that you're looking at now that happens to run in any chosen web browser. So whether you're on your laptop, on a tablet, or even on a smartphone, you're able to utilize OffCenter and manage the different database clusters that you're responsible for. And so OffCenter offers both high-level overviews as well as detailed drill downs into the database clusters and nodes that you're taking care of. And what you're looking at right now is the global dashboard that provides you with an at-a-glance view of all the clusters that are under your care and helps you understand, is there anything wrong and where you really need to spend your time. So you'll see a set of alerts that are in the top that describe the various issues that are occurring across clusters, and then you have a synopsis of each cluster here on the bottom that describes some key performance information and if there's anything, again, that is demanding your attention. So that's the first thing that you're presented with OffCenter when you first log in from a web browser. Now, OffCenter can carry out all the different types of management tasks that, in fact, let me go back here, sorry for that. So with OffCenter, you're able to very easily create new clusters. So no matter where you happen to target them, so if you want to create a new database cluster that's either in the cloud or on-premise, you can do that visually through OffCenter. We've tested this out multiple times where it's very easy to, for example, create a new 10-node cluster on AWS in just a matter of minutes, really under 3 minutes. And so you can handle all of that via OffCenter, as well as configure existing clusters, change the management of the clusters that you're dealing with. All of that can be visually managed through OffCenter. Now, as you begin to work through the various clusters and begin to drill down, you'll notice in the left-hand side there's a navigation pane that will show you a lot of things about individual clusters. So you're first presented with a customizable performance dashboard that's going to give you an overview of the alerts for that cluster, its particular health, what's up, what's down, what needs your attention, along with a various set of monitoring statistics that you can look at as well. You're also able to look at the clusters and the cluster itself and the various workloads that the nodes are under. So you can very easily spot which cluster nodes are under duress, which are down, things like that are made very, very easily inside of the interface. You can also carry out multiple tasks in bulk. So if you want to, let's say, stop all the nodes and restart them, it becomes very, very easy to do so. You can just easily select all the different nodes and then perform particular action like starting or stopping those types of nodes. That's done very easily within the interface. And then a number of other types of options that you have here. You can look at all the activities that happen to be running on a cluster. You can manage things visually, such as backup and restore operations, which oftentimes can be a very nerve-wracking task for administrators, but such a thing is carried out very easily and visually through OffCenter. So that can be done. You can also look at the various services that are running through OffCenter. that are automatically managing various cluster operations for you. And this includes some of our new services that we've just introduced, like our best practice service, that is designed to really assist those that are new to NoSQL and Cassandra DataStax Enterprise and help them really understand how to best configure and tune their cluster for optimal uptime and performance. And so the best practice expert will scan your clusters automatically, report back any deviations from best practices, and then provide expert advice on what you should do, how to correct those particular issues. So again, your cluster is optimized for the best possible performance. So all those types of things and more can be carried out through OffCenter. Just in terms of management at a glance, we also have various alerts that are fired that you can take care of in a headless fashion if you'd like. So for example, you don't need to have the interface to be able to be notified if there's an issue with a particular cluster. You can receive a text message or something like that and set your alerts up very proactively so you can make sure that you stave off any issue in a proactive fashion before it actually occurs on your cluster. So that's something else that's within OffCenter. So I think that gives you just a nice overview of the tool. We also do have built-in security that you can set up inside of OffCenter. So if you want to configure and control who can do what on certain clusters at a very granular level, that's built into the product as well. So it does support assigning various security policies to operations staff and administrators. And so with that, I think that gives you a good overview of OffCenter and how it works. This can be downloaded very easily from the DataStax website. Just go to datastax.com, downloads, be able to download OffCenter either on our all-in-one installer that includes our server components or just OffCenter alone. And so with that, I think we've, again, given a good high-level overview of OffCenter.
Well, great. Thank you. That's great stuff. Really great interface. There I can see some definite improvements over the last version, and that's wonderful. Again, we've been listening to Robin Schumacher of DataStax, highlighting his OffCenter dashboard here, and thanks for tuning in, folks.